I am Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Working on my Chrysler 200/Sebring. This should cover this 2007 to 14 models. And what we're doing is changing the signal. Well, actually, I guess it's a reverse light, and there's also a running light. It may also do brake. It's mounted in the trunk lid. I'll show you how to get to it and what special tools you need. It's not too difficult. So if we just pop open the trunk, and they're actually in the back of the trunk lid here. Of course, this foam or insulation is in the way, and there are some behind that one, of course, and some on the right side. So I'll show you how to get these clips out. You'll need one of these door panel tools. I'll try and put something similar. I don't know if I can find this exact one that I got. Try and put, and that's what the clips look like. Try and put the tool description or a link for the product in the description below. Now hopefully these clips don't break when I take them off. There's one there too. I don't think I need to take this whole panel off. I'm just hoping to just do the corner I need. Hoping I can just kind of bend this back a little bit. Something like that, I can just get it behind there. Oh, might have to... Yeah, there we go. There's three more clips. These are a little different. It's a two-piece clip. The center has to come out. And the center is actually pushing two little fingers. I'll show you what they look like after. So these actually have two sides that you can get this middle piece out. So I'm going to try and wiggle this side out first. Sometimes you can spin the whole thing around. Easier said than done. 2 screwdrivers would work. You'll get the point here. If I can just get the center piece to come out. And it should only have to go that far. And you should be able to just pull the other side, the part that it goes into, out, but it doesn't seem to want to wiggle. Oh, maybe it will come out. And it didn't. But not a big deal. There you go. So it's 2 pieces. The middle piece, it's only one way that middle piece goes in, and it pushes these little fingers out a little bit. It holds them out. So there's another one. I think I'll leave that one there, and I'll do the very bottom one so that something's kind of holding this piece from falling. So there's one back in here. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you it. It's the same kind of clip. Pull the middle out. This one came out properly. Now we'll do this last one. I'll give you a different angle. So if I can grab it from this side and start moving it, and grab it from the other side. Kind of wiggle it out a little bit. Between the 2 screwdrivers. There you go. That's what it's supposed to come out. And pull it a little bit further. And go in behind that other part of the clip. And pop it out. And hold this plastic piece so it doesn't fall. Actually, the wires are going to hold it on. There's a little red tab here. If I can pull it back, it'll let this clip come out. Give it a wiggle. Go to the other side, and I'll show you what this bulb looks like. This, I believe, is the one for backing up. Give it a little wiggle. It should come out. And it looks like it says it's a 3157. I'm going to try and double check online because I don't have the book. Because you never know, somebody might have replaced these at one time. Although this car is pretty low mileage. It's only got about 35,000 miles on it. For an 07, we're at the end of 2021. It's fairly low. Now this one is the tough one. It's a different kind of clip that holds it in there. You have to push that part and then pull it back. Like usual, easier said than done. So there's the part I'm trying to push. And it's kind of hard to see here, but it lets go. And I give it a little twist and pull, and it came out. Now I can get this one out. Those wires are just a little too short. I thought, is this the same bulb? It's a little different number. You can all triple check and put it on the screen. It looks like it's a 3057. This would be for just, it's a running light. I don't know if it's also a brake light or not. The 2 filaments tells me it is, but you can swap them and they just click back in. The new one, turn it in there. It goes in and then it goes to the right. I think I got it right the first time. In, clockwise. Put this piece on first so that then you can get the wires on. I might even been able to get a little more clearance with the wires that are hanging there. They're actually to the right of them. You can see they're clipped onto the body. Maybe if I would have unclipped that, these just go back in the way they came out. Bottom piece goes in first, and then that part spreads the little fingers out, and it'll hold it in there. So it looks like I've got all 3 of them in there. Oh, this last one, just got to give it a little push now that I have it located in the right spot. There, that should stay in there. I'll put the wires back on, and they're 2 different kinds of connectors, so unless you've swapped the bulbs the wrong way, I don't even know if you can do that. This is going the right way because that red tab was facing this way before. Stick it in there, push the red tab down. And this one, also, it's very unique how it fits on there, but once you get it in there, it should click. We're done. Now I'm just going to put this felt piece back on. Get those little other push clips, if that's what they're called. They're like a friction clip or something. Put that one there. Give it a good push. Put that one there. And there's actually one around the left too. There it is. I thought I forgot about it. Close the trunk and hopefully they work. Well, that's going to do it for the video. Hopefully it was informative and helpful to you, especially the bulb numbers. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the corner as well. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get all the notifications. The little dog will show you how in a minute. Also, might as well give you another plug here. Up in the corner should be a link there just about now for other videos on this same car. Thanks for watching. As I mentioned before, you and your family stay safe. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the right hand corner. The thumbs up. You can subscribe down in the right hand corner. You can subscribe down in the more